Welcome back to Car Show 1, where innovation meets passion and the future of performance takes center stage. Today, we're exploring one of the most exciting and talked about cars from Hyundai's performance division, the 2026 Hyundai N Vision 74. This car is not just a concept or a design experiment, it's a bold statement that combines heritage, hydrogen power, and cutting-edge design. With its stunning looks inspired by a legendary past and its futuristic technology, the N Vision 74 is Hyundai's clearest message yet that performance and sustainability can coexist in thrilling harmony. The story of the N Vision 74 begins with history. Back in 1974, Hyundai revealed its first-ever sports car prototype, the Pony Coupe, designed by the legendary Giorgio Giugiaro, the same designer behind icons like the DeLorean and the BMW M1. That car never went into production, but it left a mark, representing Hyundai's early dream of building a world-class sports car. Fast forward to today, and the N Vision 74 revives that dream, not as a nostalgia project, but as a rebirth of the company's ambition, reimagined for the future. At first glance, the 2026 Hyundai N Vision 74 looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its design merges retro charm with aggressive modern detailing. The wedge-shaped silhouette and long hood are clear nods to the 1974 Pony Coupe, while the futuristic pixel-style LED headlights and taillights connect it to Hyundai's latest, parametric pixel, design language seen in the Ioniq series. The body is low, wide, and aerodynamic, built to cut through the air with purpose. The muscular wheel arches, sharp lines, and integrated rear spoiler give it the presence of a high-performance sports machine, while the clean surfaces and minimal clutter reflect an elegant design philosophy. Every angle of the N Vision 74 feels intentional, both a tribute to the past and a glimpse of the future. But the true revolution of this car lies beneath the surface. The 2026 N Vision 74 is powered by a hydrogen hybrid fuel cell system, something almost no other car on the road offers today. This system combines a hydrogen fuel cell with a high-capacity electric battery, creating what Hyundai calls a dual-power setup. Here's how it works. The hydrogen fuel cell generates electricity by combining hydrogen and oxygen, producing water as the only emission. Meanwhile, the battery stores additional energy for high-performance bursts, allowing the car to deliver both instant torque and sustained power. Together, they make the N Vision 74 not only incredibly efficient but also environmentally friendly. The combined output of this setup is jaw-dropping, around 680 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. That's enough to rival many supercars on the market. And since electric motors provide instant torque, acceleration is lightning fast, launching the car from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 3.5 seconds. Power is sent to the rear wheels through dual electric motors, one on each side, giving it precise torque vectoring for improved handling. It's a pure driver's car, fast, balanced, and responsive. Hyundai claims the N Vision 74 can reach a top speed of around 250 km/h, impressive for a hydrogen-based vehicle. But even more impressive is its range. Thanks to the combination of hydrogen tanks and batteries, the car can travel nearly 600 km on a full charge and refuel in just 5 minutes, far faster than any electric car today. This combination of speed, range, and convenience makes it one of the most advanced powertrains ever designed for a sports car. Of course, performance isn't just about straight-line speed. The N Vision 74 has been engineered for precision handling. It uses a rear-wheel drive layout with a perfect 50/50 weight distribution, giving drivers the feeling of total control through every curve. The car's chassis is made from lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber, keeping it agile and rigid at the same time. Advanced cooling systems manage both the hydrogen system and the battery, ensuring peak performance even under extreme driving conditions. Hyundai's N engineers tested the prototype extensively on race tracks, proving it's not just a show car but a serious performance machine. Inside, the 2026 N Vision 74 perfectly balances futuristic technology with driver-focused simplicity. The cabin wraps around the driver, with a combination of analog-inspired controls and digital displays. The steering wheel features integrated drive mode buttons, while the center console hosts toggle switches that feel mechanical and satisfying to use, a deliberate nod to classic sports cars. The seats are sculpted for both comfort and support, and the materials blend high-quality leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber accents. Every detail, from the ambient lighting to the digital instrument cluster, is designed to immerse the driver in a performance-oriented environment that feels both nostalgic and futuristic. When it comes to technology and safety, Hyundai hasn't held back. The car includes all the advanced systems you'd expect from a 2026 model: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and advanced collision avoidance systems. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated navigation, and even real-time performance telemetry, allowing drivers to monitor lap times, battery levels, and hydrogen consumption data. Hyundai's engineers wanted this car to feel like a race car for the road but with the convenience of a daily driver. The N Vision 74 also represents Hyundai's growing commitment to sustainability and performance innovation. Hydrogen fuel cells have long been viewed as a promising alternative to battery electric cars, and Hyundai has been one of the few automakers actively investing in hydrogen technology. With the N Vision 74, Hyundai is showing that hydrogen can be not only practical but also exciting. By combining it with battery electric systems, the company has created a hybrid that eliminates emissions without sacrificing thrill or style. It's a vision of how the brand imagines its end performance lineup evolving in a carbon-neutral world. Many enthusiasts are already comparing the N Vision 74 to performance legends like the Nissan GT-R, Toyota Supra, and even Porsche Taycan. But what makes this Hyundai stand out is its unique identity. It's not trying to copy anyone, it's carving its own path, proving that the brand once known for economy cars is now capable of producing machines that inspire true passion. This transformation is a testament to Hyundai's commitment to pushing boundaries and redefining what performance means in the modern age. The 2026 Hyundai N Vision 74 is expected to be produced in limited numbers, serving as a halo model for Hyundai's N division. Pricing hasn't been officially announced, but industry experts predict it could start around $150,000, reflecting its advanced technology and exclusivity. While that may seem high for a Hyundai, it's worth remembering that this car represents the brand's technological peak, an experiment that's as much about innovation as it is about emotion. If it reaches production, it could become one of the most iconic cars of the decade, the world's first hydrogen-powered sports car that blends classic design with futuristic engineering. Imagine seeing one on the road. The sleek wedge shape, the glowing pixel lights, the silent yet powerful acceleration, and the knowledge that it emits nothing but water vapor. It's not just transportation, it's transformation. To conclude, the 2026 Hyundai N Vision 74 is more than just a car, it's a bridge between eras. It honors Hyundai's 1974 Pony Coupe heritage while paving the way for a clean, high-performance future. It proves that sustainability and speed can go hand in hand, and that design inspired by the past can lead us into tomorrow. This car captures imagination, passion, and progress, the very things that make the automotive world so endlessly fascinating. Thanks for watching Car Show 1, where we bring the latest updates, stories, and deep dives into the cars shaping the future. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible 2026 Hyundai N Vision 74, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed explorations of tomorrow's automotive legends. The future of performance isn't just electric, it's hydrogen-fueled, heart-pounding, and absolutely breathtaking.